One positive thought can change your whole day. With this quote, here I am Atika in front of you going to conduct today's wonderful morning assembly with my talented team members. Before starting a day, we should remember the Almighty Creator of the whole universe. So join your hand and close your eyes and be ready for prayer.
The heavens are blue, proclaiming to you the glory of God the Creator. At sunsets or night, they are beautiful sight. Yes, they suffer the glory of God. The heavens are blue, proclaiming to you the glory of God the Creator. At sunsets or night, they are beautiful sight. Yes, they offer the glory of God. O author of beauty, God on high, it is for you that I sigh. O author of beauty, God on high, it is for you that I sigh. As long as I live, my love I shall give to you, Lord my God most high. And all my days I will sing to you praise, I will adore my God most high. O author of beauty, God on high, it is for you that I sigh. O author of beauty, God on high, it is for you that I sigh. The surges of seas, the wind in the trees, breathe the music of God in nature. In songs of the bird, nature witnesses her, yes, it's also the glory of God. O author of beauty, God on high, it is for you that I sigh. O author of beauty, God on high, it is for you that I sigh. The heavens are blue, proclaiming to you the glory of God the Creator. At sunsets or night, they are beautiful sight. Yes, they offer the glory of God. Yes, they sing for the glory of God. Yes, they sing for the glory of God.
And oath is a way to make us aware about our duties towards nation, to lead us with a pledge.
Be ready for pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
How many of you could read news today in morning? I know most of you could not. But why fear when our news reporter is here? So, to enlighten us from the current happening, I would like to call our news reporters.
morning, myself Satakshi. I am going to present a national news. Government committed to helping a farmer to PM. Grenade attack on CRPF camp in Srinagar. Coronavirus update 1 December 2020. Any India district hotspot to climate change. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to you all here. This is Avika Dwivedi from Trace House presenting my international news. South Korea to buy 44 million vaccine for people. 87-year-old people get corona vaccine firstly. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Good morning everyone, here myself Suresh Mishra of class 5D from Teresa House presenting business news. PM pays tribute to Maitreya of 2001 Parliament attack. Horoscopes today 13 December 2020, a profit day for people doing business in partnership. Sensex snapped 5 days winning run ends 144 points lower. Thank you. You have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, here I am Sheila Gupta from class 5th. I am going to speak sports news. Mumbai City registered third state win in ISL 2020-21. South Africa's first ODI against England called off COVID-19 positive test. Rohit Sharma has all the qualities to be a successful captain of India, says VSS Lakshman. Thank you.
Let's listen a poem which is presented by Priyanshu.
Hello everyone, here I am Priyanshi from Teresa House, class 3rd A. I am going to recite a poem. I am the music man, I come from far away and I can play. What can you play? I play a big drum, boom-dee, 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 boom. I am the music man, I come from far away and I can play. What can you play? I play a piano, piano. Thank you and bye.
Let's enjoy a story and see the moral, which will inspire us to lead our life with happily and joyfully. The story is presented by Sanjit.
Good morning, my name is Sanjit Kumar Verma and I am going to tell you a story. The title of my story is The Nails in the Fence. There once was a little boy who had a very bad temper. His father decided to teach him. He handed him a bag of nails and told that every time when the boy lost his temper, he had to hammer a nail into the fence. On the first day, the boy hammered 37 nails. The boy gradually began to control on his temper over the next few weeks, and the number of nails he was hammering into the fence slowly decreased. He discovered it was easier to control on his temper than to hammer those nails into the fence. Finally, the day came when the boy did not lose his temper at all. He told his father the news, and father suggested that the boy should now pull out a nail every day to keep his temper under control. The days passed and the boy was now able to tell his father that all nails were gone. The father took his son by the hand and led him to the fence. Then he said, "You have done well, my son, but look at the holes in the fence. The fence will never be the same. When you say something in anger, they leave a scar, just like this one. If you put a knife into a man and draw it out, it won't matter how many times you say I am sorry. The wound is still there." The moral of the story is always try to control on your anger and let our words be polite and kind. Thank you.
we end in a patriotic way. And what can be more patriotic than our beautiful national anthem? So be ready for the national anthem.